Following up is how you close the deal. And once a client expresses interest, we're following up forever until we get a solid yes or a no. So in today's video, I want to share with you the exact scripts that you can use right now to follow up with your clients and hopefully turn your inbox into some revenue. Stick around, this is going to be a good one. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. Note, these aren't cold email follow-ups. These are going to be emails you send out after that first meeting with the prospect in order to get them to respond, to give you an answer, and more importantly, to sign that contract and make the payment. So let's jump into this. This is the day 0. So you'd send this within minutes of the initial meeting. Hey Mike, great chat today. Attaching the proposal we discussed. Please sign up here. Look forward to working together. Thanks, Alex. And then this sign up would be a Stripe link, a PayPal, whatever you're using to accept payments. By the way, the majority of you watching this aren't subscribed. So if you want to not miss out on cold email tips, tricks, lead generation, ways to make money, ways to sell more as an agency or a SaaS, then I would highly recommend subscribing down below and liking this video for the YouTube algorithm. You can also leave a comment down below. What do you think of this video? What do you think about following up? How many follow-ups should you send? These are all questions that you can answer in the comments down below. All right, let's jump into the rest of the video. Here is what I would send the next day. Hey, I'm sure you're busy and wanted to make sure this didn't get buried. Did you get the link? Here. And then I put the link in again. And these are all going to be replies to the previous email. And that's why also on the first email, I didn't include a subject line, because you're going to follow up on whatever email chain you had going before in order to book the call. Otherwise, if you haven't for some reason had an email thread with them before, then you could use the subject line, welcome, with an exclamation point. All these scripts and a lot more are inside our course, Email 10K. If you want to join an awesome community of entrepreneurs all working to build their agencies together and get weekly coaching from me, plus all of our courses, things like LinkedIn X and Twitter 10K and everything else that we've done, then go ahead and join Email 10K down below. You can get that at email10k.com. Then you would send this email the next week. Hey Mark, did you have any more questions on us building the site? Ready to get started. That's for a website. It could be, hey Mark, did you have any more questions on us growing your YouTube? Hey Mark, did you have any more questions on us building the app? Whatever you're selling, you'd call it out here. Then you'd send this one 2 weeks later. Mark, I just signed another web development client and we're getting close to being booked solid. Would you be opposed to starting today? Would hate to have to raise our prices, but we will as we get busier. Thanks, Alex. So you're putting the pressure on and getting them closer to a decision. Then a week after that one, I might send something like, hey Mark, are you ghosting me? LOL. Then on that same day that you send the ghosting email, I would also give them a call. A cold call, just ring them up and ask if they've seen the email, ask what the status is, or if they're ready to move forward. Then 2 weeks later, after that last one, I would send something like, hey Mark, just wanted to let you know that we're increasing the price of our website development by 50% because of increased demand. That means the $10,000 site we discussed would be $15,000. I can hold the old pricing for you, but you have to get back today. Still interested? Thanks, Alex. I like this last follow-up because it does add some pressure. A lot of times people think that they can ghost you or they can come back to you in 6 months and you'll have the same price. But if you're growing as an agency, you should be readily increasing your prices. And the cool thing about agency pricing is your price can go up. For Mark, when he comes back to you, your price will be $15,000 if he waits too long. Just make sure when he does come back, you get that credit card number on the phone so you don't have to follow up. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.